Multi-billion-dollar rescue deal for First Republic Bank. Bigger banks are injecting funds into First Republic in a bid to shore up confidence in the banking system. A group of big U.S. banks has injected $30 billion, £24.8 billion, into a smaller regional bank, First Republic, which had been seen as at risk of failure. U.S. regulators called the move most welcome, while the banks said their action reflected their confidence. The San Francisco-based firm had seen its share price plunge nearly 70% over the last week, as investors worried it was the next bank at risk of a rush of customers withdrawing their deposits. Problems in the banking sector surfaced in the U.S. last week when Silicon Valley Bank, SVB, the country's 16th largest lender, collapsed in the biggest failure of a U.S. bank since 2008. In an appearance before politicians in Washington, U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen said that depositors should have confidence in the system, while acknowledging the severity of the episode. The Swiss National Bank on Wednesday said it was extending up to £44 billion in emergency funds to troubled lending giant Credit Suisse, which was seen as vulnerable in the wake of the U.S. bank failures. What we've seen overnight is the Swiss Central Bank saying, "No, we will not let this get into a disorderly collapse," he said. White House spokesperson Karine Jean-Pierre said officials had been monitoring the developments at Credit Suisse, but its troubles were distinct from events in the U.S.